What is the best way to store your photos? You go to nice places, you spend hours shooting, you spend hours editing, maybe you even do this for a living and you have clients relying on you to deliver them their photos. It's a lot of work, it's a bunch of material that took you time and most possibly money to produce. And after all, are you keeping your photos safe? Hey guys, my name is Priscilla Elias and today we will talk about the best way to store your photos. I've been shooting professionally for about 3 years now, and this was a concern I had from the first paid jobs I did, and that only grew stronger on me since about a year after that I started doing weddings as well. And you know, a wedding is just one of the most important days of a couple's life, and you really want to make sure you keep their photos as a treasure. And of course, not only that, if you shoot professionally, you will want to keep your portfolio safe, as it is your business card. It is what will sell you as a photographer, and even if you're not a professional photographer, you might have taken some special photos of a special trip or of special moments of your life, and you will want to keep all of that material safe. So here's what I do to store my photos and keep them safe. My first copy goes to my external HD. I use the LaCie as it just looks tougher and stronger to me, but I can't say how long it lasts yet. What I can say is I've had some other external HDs of other brands before, and after a couple of years, 50% of them simply stopped working, just like that, out of nothing. No fall, no nothing, they just got tired, I guess. So I bought this LaCie about a year ago. Not sure how long this is gonna last. Maybe forever, possibly not. I will let you know if it goes down. But knowing that there is a possibility that this dies, I always have a second backup. As soon as I upload the photos to this external HD, I have my photos automatically uploaded to the cloud service I use. I use the Drive from Google, but that's up to you. You can go with the OneDrive from Microsoft, the Apple Cloud, Dropbox, or whatever you think is best. But if you want to keep your photos safe, it is massively important that you have your photos in more than one device. And safer than having 2 physical devices is, in my opinion, having a physical and a virtual one. There's no way you can break it or lose it. Plus, if you don't have your external HD with you, you still have access to your work from anywhere in the world. I can't count how many times I was abroad in the middle of nowhere without my external HD and someone asked me for a photo, a logo, or something that I could only be able to send straight away because I had a cloud backup. All I needed was 4G or Wi-Fi available, and done. I got all of the files available in any device I had with me. Could be my phone, could be someone else's phone or someone else's computer, whatever. Login, password, share the link, done. Plus, you can sync your external HD to your cloud service in a way that every time you upload something new to your external HD, it will be automatically uploaded also to your cloud. So you don't need to worry about saving it to both locations. You just upload them to your HD and done. I myself don't ever upload my photos to my computer because I do many photography jobs. I shoot RAW, and therefore I need a computer with massive storage to be able to keep it all in there without having it full every now and then. So for my photos, I just upload them straight to my external HD. I create a collection in Lightroom and I edit from there. And for my videos, I just temporarily upload the videos I use for that specific project to Final Cut Pro. And once I'm done with the edits, I just transfer them all to my external HD that will automatically send them to my cloud as well. And then I'm done. And that's all, guys. A physical copy and a virtual copy. Do that and your photos should be safe. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also click the notify button so you will be notified when I come up with new content. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching me, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!